Hello, everyone. I had my stroke about a year ago. After my stroke, my left side was completely paralyzed. I couldn't move anything over there. I couldn't move my leg. I couldn't move my arm. I couldn't move my hands. I couldn't move anything. Through dedicated hard work and physical therapy, I can now walk. I've got movement in my left arm. I can use my fingers again. But one of the big things that concerns me is when I go out in public, how I'm going to toilet when I get out there. I don't like wearing a diaper or any of the other things that are recommended for people that have had stroke. So what was important to me, most important, was being able to use a toilet. I've shown a couple of pictures of what public toilets look like for disabled people in the disabled booths that most bathrooms have. But the problem is, there's a number of problems, but one of the first problems is they don't tend to have grab bars, just one on the wall, but nothing on the toilet itself, like what you have at home. And there's nothing else to grab on. There's no sinks nearby. There's nothing else to grab on, and you can't use your walker, generally. So if you use a public toilet, it's always a concern on how you're going to get off. So watch this video through to the end, then practice it a couple times until you can build your confidence up. And then when you want to go out in public, you don't have to worry about whether or not you can use the toilet. So at a gas station or at a McDonald's, or if you're at a movie, you can use the movie theater one. So give this a try. Leave your comments below. Let me know how you made out, if there's any other information that you need. So good luck, enjoy the video, and get out and do things without worrying about using the bathroom. Point out is when you get to a bathroom like this, you're not always going to be able to grab a sink or a counter. Generally, this left grab bar is all you're going to be able to get. And you can't really push yourself up on your walker because it's a little bit too high. And you can't grip it down here. So a way that I found to get off a toilet, a left-hand toilet works best. Use your left hand to kind of steady yourself. And then take your hand and push the toilet right here and stand up like that. And it works like a charm. And if you're afraid it's going to slip, use your thumb to go on the inside and grab it like that. And just push yourself up, and then you can walk away. It's the easiest way to get off one. I'll show you one more time. Just take your hand in there and just go up like that, and voila, there you go. Now you can walk away. I hope that helps.